Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We have got boxes, and more boxes. We're going to open these 3 large boxes, find out what product we got. Wait, I said 3, didn't I? I meant 4. 4 large boxes. I can count. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Anyway, I just did that to make you feel better anytime you make a mistake. So we're going to open these 4 big boxes. 3 large, 1 medium. That's what I was going for. Yes. Anyway, long intro. We're going to get to the unboxing. All right, let's start with the smaller box. Let's see. This is all from 888 Lots. So this is the company that we buy from that if they have 1 item, you have to buy 1. And then we can also negotiate prices with them. And then sometimes we can do like $1 shipping and stuff like that. So we do like them a lot.
If they have 10, you have to buy 10. If they have 20, you have to buy 20.
Yeah, so you have to buy all of whatever
they say.
Negotiate prices. So we have...
Ooh.
Adjustable gauge blood pressure cuff in a pink bag.
That's gonna go good.
Yeah.
Is it the...
It's like the actual one they... Wait, what's all in it? It's got nylon cuff, stethoscope, carry case, and a small screwdriver.
It's got the stethoscope too. That's kind of...
Yeah.
That's kind of different.
That is cool. All right.
Boom!
So we've got those.
It's gonna be awesome.
A bunch of them. So like we said, whenever we negotiate the prices, we have to buy all of whatever they have. So looks like they had a large quantity of these. So far it looks like we have 6. Oh, Pyrex. Pyrex is my friend. So this is a Pyrex Smart Essentials 6-piece glass mixing bowls.
It's like it got its lids too there.
Yep. So it's got the 25 quart, the 2.5 quart, the 1.5 quart, and the 1 quart. So I was reading the box inside there. All right, so we've got some Pyrex. This guy over. Got 2 of those sets. So we'll be putting this on hookedonpickin.com, so you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com. Also, if you've not been there recently, we just added a bunch more puzzles in the toy section. They should all be at the top of the toy section, a lot of the wooden puzzles. But make sure you always page through more than 1 page, because a lot of times we'll replenish things that may have been sold out in the past. Everything that's on the store in the collections are always in stock, okay? So unless it's sold like a second ago, we usually, don't have it on there if it's sold out. All right, this is an adjustable lightweight shower bench. Okay.
Make your life easy.
Make your life easy. All right, that's it for that box. There was quite a bit in that box. All right. 3 more boxes. See, I can count now. 1, 2, 3.
I'm very proud of you.
Thanks.
Math is hard, though, isn't it? Math is hard.
You know what? I was just going the Common Core route. It just takes you longer to get there.
Yes, exactly. We rounded down, then we up, and then we divided by 4,
and then we carry the 2, and then
carry
times
the 2.
10, and then
exactly.
Yeah. Anybody feel like that?
We took up 3 pages of paper. 3 pages.
Yep.
3 pieces.
To do
and we can't even speak English.
Yeah, we really can't talk. What's wrong with us? All right, we've got another shower bench.
That's nice. Those will sell.
Yep. Ooh, what are those?
Nice.
These are a supply center. Okay. That looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. Arts and Crafts Supply Center. It's got all kinds. Look at that.
Wait, does it? It has all of that stuff in it.
Yeah, it includes all that foil.
It has pom-poms, foil sheets, colored pop stickers, gemstones, markers, glitter glue, glue tube, colored pencils, glitter pom-poms, bows, stickers, pipe cleaners, googly eyes. Oh my goodness. So it's full of all this stuff.
So that's awesome.
If I can...
It's a whole craft kit.
I want to open one of these. Yeah, I'd probably spill it everywhere.
Yeah.
I better not open one of these.
Let's not open them.
Because I'm going to spill it everywhere.
These things are going to sell super fast.
They are. Okay, they'll be on hookedonpickin.com. Probably won't even put these on the fire sale. We're just going to put these on hookedonpickin.com and you can get them there. Alright, so we've got 4 of those. And we got another lightweight shower bench.
Nice.
What is this? Whatever it is, it's really heavy. It is a grain mill.
Oh.
So you put corn in it, and then you grind it into the corn
grinds
flour.
it down. There we go.
Yeah.
Is there another picture on the box? That's what I was looking for here. That right there. Turn that towards the camera. It looks just like that there.
Oh, there's a better picture on this side.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. Is that a good picture?
No.
Which one is it?
It's this right here.
It's this one?
Yep. This is what it is. And then was it red color?
Yes, it's red.
Right there.
Yep.
Grind you some stiff.
Grind some stiff up.
Cool.
All right. No wonder that's so heavy.
That is really heavy.
This one got crushed a little bit. I'll just inspect this one. Ooh, I see glitter.
That ain't good.
We'll have to inspect this one.
Because that other piece was sitting on there.
And I'm going to make sure I inspect that box.
Got it.
So, alrighty. Ooh, that one is really
They are heavy boxes, aren't they?
I wonder if that one's got the more grind mills in it.
I don't know.
That would definitely be the heavy thing. Ooh, what is that? It's the 10 Commandments.
Boom.
Boom. 10 Commandments.
Heather found the 10 Commandments.
We've been looking for these. It's even the set that's after. It's not the broken set that Moses broke the first time.
There you go.
It's the next
Are you trying to tell me those are the original
These
10
are the
Commandments?
original.
The original 10 Commandments.
Yes. Yes.
That's awesome.
888 Lots had them.
888 Lots had it.
Sold them to us at a discount.
That's cool.
All right. I'll just make sure not to throw these on the ground and shatter
Please.
them.
Please don't do
I
it.
want to break them in half.
It looks nice, though.
Don't build a golden idol, and I won't chuck it on the ground.
There
All
you
right?
go.
No idols in your life. We can save the 10 Commandments from being broken. All right, we got, looks like kind of some more, kind of like Pyrex, but a different brand, Joseph.
Joseph.
So it's got glass storage, nice little square containers, 4-piece storage container set with snap-together lids.
It looks good.
Now, you know what's really funny is Pyrex says it's a 6-piece set, 3 bowls, 3 lids. Now, this says it's a 4-piece set. They actually give you 4 bowls
and 4 lids.
And 4 lids. So technically, this one's better.
Yeah.
And they don't lie to you about the lids. All right. So we got looks like a bunch of. Ooh, what is this? Well, here's another one of these. Let me just get this out of the way because it's another lid one or another thing. What is this? Gravity maze. Oh, this gravity-powered logic maze, you put your visual perception and reasoning skills to the test. Towers can be arranged in a wide variety of visually stimulating structures, but for each challenge, you have to think carefully and build a path that'll carry your marble to the target tower. So you have to figure out how to get it where. And it's got like little cards. So expert, advanced, intermediate, and beginner.
Looks like a fun little game.
This looks cool. So for the analytical kid that likes to do stuff with his hands, or the analytical adult, this looks like I would play this game. This is fun. All right. What else we got in here? What is that? Nano steamer.
It's a nano steamer?
It's a nano steamer. Temperature control. It's kind of like a humidifier kind of thing. Or vaporizer. Okay, so it says instant vapor technology produces negatively charged ions. Separate towel warming compartment to warm towels. Also functions as a powerful humidifier and aromatherapy device.
Nice.
So it can be used for all of those things.
Like it.
Or if you just need a warm towel in your life, there you go. We got one, two,
we got a few of those.
4.
It's got tools in it.
Does it?
What is the tools for?
Bonus 5-piece stainless steel skin kit included.
What is that there? It almost is like a something you'd use in a
spa.
Yeah. Your own home spa.
It's a home spa with your nano steamer. All right, let's get all those out because if I tried to pick up this box, I would probably try to crush these.
Good.
All right.
It's pretty big.
It is big.
It's
whatever
long.
it is. Oh, it's 2 boxes.
This might have to go in the store depending on what it is.
It's a garden kneeler stand.
Garden kneeler, yeah. Look at that.
So how many of you have seen the kneeler pads when you're gardening? Okay, so those are cool, but you ever try to get up off the ground? So these are handy because you can have a kneeling pad and you have handles to stand up in the middle of the yard.
It's a good idea.
So it is a really good idea because even I wouldn't consider myself old, but sometimes it's hard to get up off your knees when you've been gardening and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is it. And it's elevated too.
Yeah.
That's cool. All right. So
that does look really handy to have.
2 of those. I'm just going to leave them in this box.
Okay. Down to our last box.
Was that technically an unboxing since I left it in the box? Or did I just break the unboxing rules by leaving it in the box?
No telling.
Everybody on the video is probably going, I heard the doorbell, but they didn't run to the front. Because we have someone manning the front.
That's right. Lexi's running the man in the front right now. What do we got there?
Coats. Oh, I think, yeah, I knew you were getting winter coats.
Yeah, we talked about it.
The best time to buy winter coats is not in the winter. So these are really nice, lightweight. They're kind of like a puffer coat, but not that thick. So
yeah, I got a pretty good deal on some of these coats.
So these are super warm, kind of like the Columbia jackets. But they're kind of like an off-brand.
Somebody might buy them now. If not now, they'll buy them.
Yeah, when it's winter time.
Yep, for sure.
So we'll list them right now. And if you want to buy it now, go for it. But it'll be available in there when it starts to get cold out. So that one is a size, let me just look real fast. That one's a size 4X.
4X, yeah, that's a good size.
This one, ooh, that one's pretty.
Look at that.
And this one is a size, let's see.
I try to go bigger sizes.
2 extra large.
2 extra, okay, good deal. Good size jackets.
Yep.
4X and 2X. Look at that.
Oh my word.
Oh, Heather's got to model that one for us.
I do. I have to. It's a must.
Get you a fur coat.
Fur coat.
Fur.
First off, what size is this? 14.
A size 14? That's a decent size. You look like a bear. Look at that.
It's amazing.
Looks like you're skinning a bear. That's awesome.
I did skin a bear. Wait, now the Elvis version. This is kind of cool coat.
There you go.
Everybody needs one.
It's like something you should find down in Gatlinburg, you know?
Yes.
Boom. Of course, if you found it in Gatlinburg, it'd probably be like $249.
Yes, probably. Should wear it to Gatlinburg.
There you go.
It goes all the way down, like, to mid-calf. It's a long coat.
Boom.
I feel like I should just walk out into the store and see what the kids say. It's an amazing coat. You too can have this coat. That is a US size 14. It's on hookedonpickin.com. All right, what in the world is this?
Oh, yes.
It's a coin bank.
Yep, these are going to be hard to ship, actually.
Yes. So we're going to have these in the store. So this one's really cool.
Coca-Cola?
It's got a slot in the top. Okay, we did get fussed at because we have Coca-Cola purses, but not Pepsi purses. We are on the hunt for some Pepsi stuff.
Yes,
so,
I will.
But we can find Coke stuff a lot easier. And Coke is more collectible.
Yeah, I don't know why I can find Coke a little bit easier, but I can.
So we've got 5 of these.
Yeah.
We're going to put them in the store. Big old piggy banks. Love it. Just take the top off. Unscrews just like a regular.
Yeah, I think so, right?
I think, or does it pop off? It just pops off.
Boom.
Take a big drink. That's a lot of soda. So, this is a cool bank. I like it. All right, so all of these things are going to be available on hookedonpickin.com, except maybe this. Because we really don't have, other than this box that it came in.
Shipping is going to be difficult on that,
Shipping
but everything else we
difficult.
should be able to ship.
Yeah, even the amazing coat.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you'll be able to go to hookedonpickin.com, find all that stuff. So we'll do a live stream tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for the live stream. We'll do it tomorrow, kind of let you know how our weekend sales went on the store. We're definitely having a much better weekend this weekend than last weekend. Rain. I feel like when it rains, people come in the store
For some
more.
reason, when it rains,
yeah,
people come in.
So we're super excited. So you can get the 10 Commandments. You could get a fur coat. You could get
Craft kit.
Craft kits, all sorts of fun things. So go on to hookedonpickin.com, check out our puzzles that we just put on there, and also I think that was one of the last new things we put on there.
Purses.
The purses and puzzles. Yeah, yeah, those are really fun purses. Those little wallets that have fairy tales on them. Yeah. Anyway, thanks so much, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.